Hello everyone, today I will show you how to stop apps from tracking you. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to go to setting and then scroll down until you find privacy and security. Click on tracking. So these are the apps that you allow for it to track you. So as you can see, I don't allow too many apps track me. So if I want to turn it off, I can always turn this off. And that will make sure that none of the apps gonna track me. Usually I leave it on because sometimes like things like Expedia, it usually give you some kind of like promotion that if you like traveling to certain places. So I kind of want it to be on, but for most of the time, the app doesn't need to track you because it will take your personal information away. So it's better to turn this off if you don't need it.